If you're facing black screen issue with your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now to fix this issue, first of all, we will have to do a force restart on our iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until you see the Apple logo on the screen. After you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then your iPhone might be out of charge. Just try to charge your iPhone using Apple's original charging cable and adapter. Now, if you use a charger which is not supported from Apple, this could damage your iPhone. So make sure you use the original charger. And if your iPhone is not charging through the USB Type-C port, you can try a different charging method, like you can charge your iPhone using the wireless charger or the MagSafe charger. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the black screen issue on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.